Hey guys, it's Zaire. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, first of all, I'm back. I took a little break because I wasn't feeling good like at all. My mental health was in like not a good place, but I'm feeling a little bit better today. Actually, there was a bunch of like hoopla when I was trying to get ready to film. It was like my other SD card stopped working completely. My camera, I had to restart it, and I didn't realize the time that I had to do for like the auto turn off, so it was on like 30 seconds, so it was like clicking off so quickly, and I was like, what is going on? So there was just like a bunch of stuff that I was just like a hot mess, and I was like, I'm not gonna let this get me down, because I've been saying that I was gonna film, but then my energy wouldn't be good, so then I would just like not film and stuff because like anxiety, depression, all that stuff. But I was gonna push through it today so we can get some filming done. So with all that being said, I just want to kind of do something that I want to do. I don't really have anything particular in mind, so I think I'm going to do like a black winged out smoky eye type thing with also some pearls on the lid. Like I said, I kind of just want to do my own thing. I'm feeling some black because I just need some makeup in my life to make me feel a little bit better, to get rid of these negative catastrophe thoughts, and I just want to jump into it, because if I stall anymore, I'm gonna not do it. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do an extra AF black smoky eye, then just keep on watching. I also was trying to fix like my chair. I broke some scissors. It was just a hot mess today, I'm telling you. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10, and I'm gonna prime my eyes with this. I can't believe how much of a mess everything was, guys. It was like, you don't even want to know at this point. I'm actually gonna do one eye with you guys and one eye off camera, because I'm trying to make like a TikTok. So yeah, I don't know why I just primed both eyes anyways though. I'm an idiot. But like I said, it's a hot mess today. I'm just gonna take like a skin color powder on a Morphe E22 brush and just go under my brow just to make sure that's concealed, because I don't really think I'm gonna take the eyeshadow up that high, but we'll see. And I want it to be super sharp, so we're gonna take some tape. So first, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and I'm going to take the black in the palette on a M506 brush. I'm going to lay out kind of the shape of the look. Now I'm going to take the M330 brush, and I'm going to take that black again and very lightly blend that out. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown in the palette and just make sure it's blended out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I actually only use this palette for the black, which is Blackout. So I guess essentially I'm using Urban Decay Blackout. And now I'm taking the M167 brush, and I'm gonna take Blackout. I'm just gonna put it on my lid. If you do your foundation first, I would definitely recommend either doing your eyeshadow first when you're using black, or putting a bunch of powder, because you see this fallout. Wipe it away. But if you don't put down powder or anything, then it's gonna be hard to wipe away, and it's just gonna make your foundation look all black, and we don't want that because it'll look muddy. Okay, and now I'm gonna take these pearls, and I'm gonna take some lash glue, and I'm basically just kind of gonna put it around, I don't know honestly where I'm gonna put them yet, but you'll see once I put the glue down. This part I'm not going to show you guys because it kind of is irrelevant, But I'm just gonna put some liner, black liner, on my lash line just so it'll be more concealed when I put on a lash. Like I said, this part is irrelevant. Or I can show you guys what this looks like. Boom. Purr. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye. Like I said, I'm making a TikTok, and then I'll come back with my foundation on and everything, and then we'll do the bottom. So yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, so I did my foundation and my other eye off camera. As you can see, we're looking really good today, period. So we're gonna do the under eye. So I'm gonna take the M506 brush, and I'm gonna take that black from the Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna put it under my eye, but I'm only gonna put it on the outer part of my eye. This brush is actually a little bit too big. I'm actually gonna take the M421. It's like a flat brush. So you guys see how like the inner corner is like empty? Like there's no eyeshadow there. That's how I feel like I've been doing that, and I don't know, I feel like it just looks really good. I really like the way it looks, even like not with black, because black definitely, because it kind of closes your eyes off. So I feel like leaving that in the inner corner kind of opens it up, but I've been doing that with every eyeshadow look. I love this look, period. Purr. Okay, and for lashes, we're gonna take these lashes that I got from the dollar store for $1. Yes, $1. Every single time I use these, I have to say that, because it's just like, they're so good. And like $1, like I can't even believe it. Cute. Yeah, girl. Alright, for lip liner, we're gonna just use the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So basically just like a black smoky eye with some pearls. This is what it looks like. I love it so much. I was just, like I said, I was just kind of feeling like doing whatever I want today, not really a rhyme or reason for anything. So this is what I did. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, which I will be uploading more, I promise. We're back to scheduled uploads. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it is also in the description box down below for your convenience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.